How to redeem a gift card on Binance. In this video, I will explain each and everything that how you can redeem a gift card on Binance in just few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just visit binance.com, which is the basically official website of Binance, right? And once you're here, you can just visit this website, and once you are into the website, just go to the bottom of this website. Once you're here, under this section of product, you will find an option of gift card. So just click on this gift card, right? And once you are here, you will get this three option: redeem to crypto, add card, or check card. So if you have a gift card code, you can say this is an example. So it will be in similar, and it will be in 25 characters. You can just enter the redemption code here, and you will be able to redeem your gift card. So this is very easy, and here you can see there is a disclaimer: Binance is not responsible and assume no liability to you for an unlawful conduct of fraud by any third party associated with any gift card. So make sure you just follow it. And by the way, if you have a card, so you can just enter that card, the code here. And basically, if you want to just check that whether it's the correct redeem gift card or not, so you can just enter the 16-digit gift card here, and you will able to check that card. So guys, I hope you found this video very useful.